Hi, I'm Stephanie. Do you ever wake up in the morning and feel like your skin is super dry? That's why I love bareMinerals Skin Longevity Sleeping Gel Cream. It has a mineral-rich formula with hyaluronic acid. It hydrates your skin and seals in moisture overnight, so you wake up with skin that's dewy, not dry. The super soft, lightweight formula isn't anything like your typical night cream. Just apply it as a last step in your nighttime skincare routine. It has this really cushiony, gel-like texture that just melts into your skin. And it's not sticky or tacky, so don't worry, it won't get all over your pillow. The formula has clean, good for skin ingredients, long life herb that helps improve skin resilience. It also has California poppy and ginger to give your skin extra antioxidant protection and a brightened appearance. When I wake up, my skin feels refreshed and hydrated. It's my go-to nighttime moisturizer.